Hello, guys. This is Derek with Absolute Tech, and we are back with how to run Windows 11 on your M1 chip Mac. And for all of you that has watched my previous video, this is the fix, and then this is the complete tutorial as well for the new people. Um, this is the website that we need to go to. It's called UTM, and I'll leave the link in the description. So you guys just click on it, go to it real quick, and this will be the website. Pretty much tells you how to go. We're going to hit gallery, and we're going to go down, and we're going to hit Windows 11. Okay, and this is what we want to install. So we need to install UTM for Mac. Okay, I'm not going to install it, but you just click on it, follow the instructions. It's pretty simple. And then you need to go download Windows for ARM. I'm going to take you to that real quick. And just download this right here. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. And this is the build number that I have currently. If you guys have any issues, please leave comments and I'll get back with you. I am continuing to update this for people that's struggling, because having Windows on Mac, I mean, yes, Mac's great, works, 95% of the time, but every once in a while, you just need a Windows computer to do some sort of work, and that's fine. So go ahead and download that. And then we need the Spice Tools. And just click that, and it's just going to start downloading. And all these should go down into your downloads folder, or they could be in there. But they should go to your downloads folder. Once you get that going, we're going to open UTM. Okay, we're going to hit new machine. We're going to hit virtualize. We're going to hit Windows. We're going to browse for the Windows 11 that we just downloaded. This should be in your downloads folder. We're going to hit next. We can leave this at 4 gigs. You're more than welcome to turn this up, depending. I have a 16 gig model, so I can turn it up to 8. I'm just going to leave mine at, well, we'll go ahead and turn it up to, we'll turn it up to 8. And you can more than leave it at 4, 8, 6, I wouldn't go up to 16, because I'm pretty sure my model is the highest you can get is 16. We're going to leave the CPU cores at 4, because that's half. I believe it's an 8-core processor. And you want to leave this on so you can share documents between your Mac and your Windows virtual machine. So we're going to hit next. You can name this whatever you want. Mine's going to be Windows number 2 because I already have one on there. But you can name it Windows 11 or whatever you like. You can't change anything else. Everything else is fine anyways, unless you want to change the storage. We can talk about that. If you guys have issues with that, I'm pretty sure we could just hit that. I'm not even sure how to change storage in here. I think we can change storage later. So we're going to hit save. All right, just going to do this little spin here for a second. I'm just going to wait this out. Alright, it's done. So scroll down. This is very important. Okay. You want to click on CD DVD. Okay. Click browse. We're going to add that Spice Guest Tools in here. And hit open. And it'll say it right there. Okay. And we are going to start the virtual machine. It's going to start up. I want to make it a little bit bigger if I can. See how we're doing. While this is waiting, feel free, guys, to subscribe to my channel, like the video. I really put a lot of effort into these videos. I'm still learning. I'm still a new YouTuber, but greatly growing, and I appreciate all the help. I've had many people reach out to me and come up with some ideas that we need to be doing. And if you guys have any ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments. Send me an email. I have a lot of people that I've been emailing with back and forth on things. This is going to be a big deal for me. This is a hobby of mine. I'm not making any type of money from this, but it's just really something I enjoy doing. I like helping people learn, or because I'm always learning on YouTube. I want to be able to give back to the community, I guess. Oh, perfect timing. So this is going to load back up. Okay, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to hit Shift Fn, and we're going to hit F10. That's going to bring up this command line, and we are going to do. Everybody, I understand this could be stressful to some, but this is a lot simpler than what you think, I'm sure. It's pretty much CD slash, that's it. We're going to hit enter. We're going to hit D colon. We're going to hit enter. We're going to type in dir for directory. And we're down here now. We're going to hit start and space, and then we're going to hit tab. We got drivers. We got the spice tools, and that's what we're looking for. And we're going to hit enter. This is going to come up. We're going to hit next. We're going to hit agree. Let's take a few seconds. It's going to ask us to restart probably after this, if I remember right. And we're going to go ahead and hit reboot now. Yes, restart anyway. Because now the spice tools are installed. That's fine. I will leave them commands down in the description, so you don't have to constantly watch the video. Make it a little easier. And we're loading up. Look, we don't have to do that tab no more because our spice tools is installed. We can hit yes. We can hit yes. We can hit skip. Checking for updates. Shouldn't have any updates because I just downloaded this. We're going to hit accept. Name your device if you want to name the device. I'm going to hit skip for now. If you want to use your Microsoft account, you click this one. If you do not want to use a Microsoft account, you can click this one. I do not want to use a Microsoft account. You hit sign in options, domain instead, and I'm going to type in Derek because that's my name. We're going to hit next. I don't want a password. I'm just going to hit next again. Scroll all the way down. Just do scroll. Now the scrolling will probably be backwards if you use it like that. I really don't like this advertising on. I really feel like it's an invasion of privacy. Hit accept. That's your choice. And we are starting up. And here we go. We are loading in. Everything is working. It's actually working a lot smoother than I thought it was going to. Sometimes it's a little laggy. Load in. Looks like we do have internet. Start without data. Yes, we do have internet. Let's make all this dark. I like dark theme. And yes, we have internet. I would be downloading Chrome would be my first thing to do here. But hey, if you guys have any questions, problems, leave a link below and I appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos. Give this video a like and